Hello, my fellow crocheters. Today we are going to crochet this amazing gopher. Some of the items that you need to get are light brown, dark brown, white, and pink yarn at 4.5 millimeters in size. You will need a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, a crochet needle and stopper. You have a choice between googly eyes or buttons, and please don't forget your stuffing. The next part of the video is going to show you how to assemble this adorable creation. So make sure that you do tutorials 1 through 6 first. All right, so let's go ahead and get started.
Let it burn, baby, let it knock. Ready for the rhythm, not stop, let it drop.
Music is in my mind. Music is my mind.
She about to pull it.